Master Dining Out 100 Essential English Phrases for Restaurant Conversations. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Sophia. Today, we're diving into the dining world. Whether you're planning to eat out at a fancy restaurant or just grabbing a quick bite at a local cafe, knowing the right English phrases can make your experience much smoother and more enjoyable. I'm going to share with you 100 essential phrases that will help you navigate any dining situation with ease. So, get your notebooks ready, and let's boost your confidence in restaurant conversations. Can I see the menu, please? This phrase is used to politely request the menu from the staff at a restaurant. I'd like to reserve a table for 4. Use this to book a table for 4 people, often done over the phone or in person. May I have a table by the window? This question asks if you can be seated at a table next to the window. Do you have a kids menu? Asks if the restaurant offers special menu options for children. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any? Important for those with allergies to ensure their meal is safe. Could we have some more bread, please? A polite way to ask for additional bread for the table. Can you recommend a dish? Asks the server to suggest a popular or signature dish at the restaurant. What is today's special? Inquires about any special dish that is offered only for that day. How is this dish prepared? Asks for details about the cooking methods or ingredients in a specific dish. Could I have the dressing on the side? Requests that the dressing or sauce be served separately from the salad or dish. I'd like my steak well done. Specifies how thoroughly you would like your steak cooked. Could we have a jug of water for the table? Requests a large container of water for everyone at the table to share. Is this dish spicy? Asks if the dish has a high level of spice. Can this be made without onions? Requests that the dish be prepared without onions. I'm a vegetarian. What do you recommend? Asks for suggestions on vegetarian-friendly dishes. Could we have some extra plates? Requests additional plates for sharing food. Do you offer any discounts? Inquires about any potential price reductions or promotions. Could I have this package to take home? Requests that the remaining food be packed up to take away. How long will the food take to arrive? Asks about the expected wait time for the meal to be served. Can I have some extra napkins? Requests more napkins. Do you have any gluten-free dishes? Important for those with gluten sensitivities to find suitable meal options. I'd like to cancel my order. Indicates that you have changed your mind and want to cancel the order placed. Could you please bring the condiments? Asks for additional seasoning or sauces like salt, pepper, ketchup, etc. I would like to see the dessert menu. Requests the menu listing desserts after finishing the main meal. Could we get the check, please? Politely asks for the bill. Can I pay by card? Asks if the restaurant accepts payment via credit or debit card. Is service charge included in the bill? Inquires whether a service fee is automatically added to the bill. Could you explain what this dish includes? Requests a detailed description of the ingredients and preparation of a specific dish. I'd prefer a non-smoking area, please. Requests to be seated in a part of the restaurant where smoking is not allowed. Can you heat this up a little more? Asks for the dish to be heated if it's not warm enough. Do you have high chairs available? Asks if the restaurant provides high chairs for young children. What are your most popular dishes? Inquires about the dishes that are most frequently ordered by other customers. I'd like this without cheese, please. Requests that no cheese be added to the dish. Could I swap the fries for a salad? Asks if it's possible to replace fries with a salad as a side. Do you have any soup? Inquires if there is any soup available on the menu. What are the ingredients in this sauce? Asks for specific details about what is in the sauce. Could we have some privacy? Requests a more secluded or private table, possibly for a special occasion. Is there a wait for a table? Asks if there's a current wait time to be seated. Can we sit outdoors? Requests seating in an outdoor area of the restaurant. What herbal teas do you offer? Asks about the variety of herbal teas available. Do you have any decaffeinated coffee? Asks if there is coffee available that does not contain caffeine. Could I speak to the chef? Requests a conversation with the chef, possibly to discuss dietary needs or to compliment the food. I think there's been a mistake with our order. Indicates there may be an error with the order that needs to be corrected. I'd like to order now. Indicates you are ready to place your order after deciding what you want. Can I have a glass of water, please? A simple request for a glass of water. What's the Wi-Fi password? Asks for the password to access the restaurant's Wi-Fi network. Can you provide food for someone with food allergies? Asks if the restaurant can accommodate special dietary requirements due to allergies. Do you have any sugar-free desserts? Inquires if there are any dessert options available without sugar. Could I get some lemon for my water? Requests slices of lemon to be added to the water. Is the pasta made fresh here? Asks if the pasta served is made fresh in the restaurant. Can we order a side of vegetables? Requests additional vegetables to be added to the meal. What type of oil do you use for cooking? Inquires about the type of oil used in food preparation. I need a moment to decide. Indicates that you need a little more time to make a choice from the menu. Can this dish be made less oily? Asks if the amount of oil used in the dish can be reduced. What non-dairy milk options do you have? Asks about alternatives to dairy milk, such as almond, soy, or oat milk. Is there a corkage fee? Asks if there is a charge for bringing and serving your own bottle of wine. Can I see your wine list? Requests to look at the selection of wines available. Do you use organic ingredients? Inquires if the ingredients used in the dishes are organic. What's in this smoothie? Asks for the specific fruits or ingredients included in the smoothie. Could we have another round of coffee? Requests more coffee to be served to the table. Can the chef make a recommendation? Asks if the chef can suggest a dish based on your preferences or dietary restrictions. Do you offer meal deals? Inquires about any special offers that include multiple items at a discounted price. What's your policy on bringing pets? Asks if the restaurant allows pets to accompany guests. Are reservations necessary? Asks if you need to book a table in advance to dine at the restaurant. How spicy is this curry? Asks about the level of spiciness to expect in the curry. Can we have a round of soft drinks? Requests non-alcoholic beverages for the table. What desserts do you recommend? Asks for suggestions on dessert based on popular or standout items. Can I get a refill, please? Requests more of a previously ordered drink, if refills are offered. Do you serve halal food? Important for Muslim diners to ensure the food meets halal dietary standards. What's the best way to eat this dish? Asks for recommendations on how to properly enjoy a particular dish. I'd like to keep the receipt, please. Requests to keep the receipt for personal record or reimbursement. Could you bring a carafe of water? Requests a large container of water for the table. We need more cutlery, please. Requests additional forks, knives, or spoons. Can I have some ice with that? Asks for ice cubes to be added to a drink. What time do you close? Inquires about the time the restaurant stops serving customers. Do you have any local dishes? Asks if the menu includes dishes that are specific to the local cuisine. Can I have a different table? Requests to be moved to another table in the restaurant. What's the chef's special today? Asks about a unique dish prepared by the chef for that day. Can I have this without salt? Requests that no salt be added to the preparation of a dish. Do you have any lighter meals? Inquires about options that are less calorie-dense or lighter on the stomach. What fish do you have today? Asks about the types of fish available on the menu for that day. Could I get this dish without garlic? Requests the omission of garlic in the dish. Do you have a special menu for events? Inquires if there are special menus available for events like parties or meetings. Can you accommodate a large group? Asks if the restaurant has the capacity to host a large number of guests. What are your best vegetarian dishes? Asks for recommendations on the best vegetarian options available. Do you serve breakfast all day? Inquires if breakfast items are available to order throughout the day. Can we have a bottle of your best mineral water? Requests the best quality bottled mineral water they offer. What vegan dishes do you have? Asks for options that are suitable for vegans. Is this made with fresh fruit? Asks if the dish or drink is made using fresh fruit. Could I have a cocktail without alcohol? Requests a drink typically made as a cocktail, but without any alcohol. What's the quietest time to dine here? Asks when is the least busy time to visit for a quieter dining experience. How do I use this voucher? Asks for instructions on how to redeem a voucher at the restaurant. Could you suggest a good pairing for this dish? Asks for advice on what drinks or sides would go well with your meal. Do you have any freshly squeezed juices? Inquires if they offer juices that are freshly made from fruits. I'd like to place an order for pickup. Indicates that you want to order food to pick up and take away. Can you help me with the menu? Requests help from the staff in understanding the menu options. Thank you all for watching today's episode on English with Sophia. I hope these 100 phrases help you feel more prepared and confident the next time you dine out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases whenever you can. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. I love hearing from you, so leave a comment below on how these phrases worked out for you or any new topics you'd like us to cover. See you next time, and keep practicing your English. Goodbye and happy dining.